Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm so excited for this video. I have partnered with FabFitFun, if you haven't already realized from the thumbnail, that I'm going to be unboxing their winter subscription box. So each box is valued over $200, okay? So one box is $49.99 on their website, but with my code you can get $10 off your first box, and my code's gonna be BADD10. So what's cool about FabFitFun is you can actually customize the stuff in your box. So instead of just getting a blind box, you don't know what's gonna come, they actually have a little questionnaire and you get to choose the stuff that you like. It's still a surprise, so it's still like a present every time, but you have a little idea and you give them an idea of what you really want to see in your box. They are available in the United States, Canada, and the United Kingdom. And what's really cool, y'all, is they are female founded, okay? And I am a big supporter of female founded companies. Each season they also partner with charities. So where can you go wrong? I'm just super hyped. Let's go ahead and get into this review. I am so excited. Here is my box. It is actually pretty heavy and it is huge. FabFitFun is a seasonal subscription box. They have beauty, lifestyle, fashion, all the goodies all in one box for you every season. And here is the winter one. It's super cute. It has a little house that has a little smoking chimney. It has some snow. It just reminds me of like the movie Elf, you know, when he is running outside at Santa's workshop, and it just looks so cute. It makes you want to be this girl right here and skate around, and I just love this. Super cute. On the sides you'll see the same little design, but over here that's me, but except black hair. I have blonde hair and I would be making my snowman, so even the box makes you feel like winter. Outside it's like 70 degrees. I live in Orlando, so there is no winter for us. So maybe this box will make me feel more in the holiday winter spirit. And let's get her open. It has some tape, so I'm gonna need something to open this. I have nothing. Let me improvise. I'm gonna use the back of a nail clipper. Okay. There it is. It's all pink inside. My favorite color. It says FabFitFun. And right away you see the FabFitFun Winter 2019 catalog. Maria Shriver on the most important thing in a woman's life. Okay, so this seems to be like a magazine that is all about FabFitFun. It has what's in the box. Oh my god, I see some eyelashes. I can't wait to get to those. Here's some more information. I like that they have different little infos. They have your top 5. They have one, the FabFit Live, how to rock a headband, naturally sassy. Not only is it a box, it's also like a full lifestyle, because they really cater to you, and they even give you some reading material. Here on the top you just have some little advertisements. What makes purple unlike, oh, so this is that purple mattress. I see this on the TV all the time. Really squishy. Ooh, look, you get $15 off. That's a $200 value. Wow. So here's another code that I get. I guess with your next box you're gonna get a discount as well. Sterling Forever. Here's some more little goodies before you even open the box. All right, FabFitFun, share to win. Here's your goodies. I'm gonna keep my pamphlet close by just so I can give you a detailed description of each thing that I'm about to show you. So the makeup eraser, it says from waterproof mascara to bronzer and blush, this reusable makeup remover erases the day with just water. Wow, I can't wait to try this. I have makeup on. I don't want to take it off, so maybe I'll show you it on my Instagram story tonight. This one is a $20 eraser, so unbox it. So it basically says bye-bye makeup wipes forever. Wow, I literally use makeup wipes so much, they can really get expensive too. Ooh, this is really soft. So you just apply water. Third most wasteful product in the world is wipes. You wash it with hot water, okay, and then so this is how you use it. You're gonna wet it, soak it in warm water. The warmer, the wetter, the better. And then you erase, so you just rub on your face, and then you flip to the longer fiber side. So there's two different sides, I see. And you flip to the long side, and that's for exfoliation. All you need is to apply your soap. Really cool. Next thing. So these are called Thirsty Hands. They are a super hydrating hand mask from Nail Sync. Oh, from Nail Sync London. Oh, I get 2 packs. Some instructions here. Put your palm in the air if you've tried dry hands. Formulated with a blend of plant extracts. Instructions for you. Apply to clean, dry hands. Remove and unfold the gloves from the foil packaging. Slip them onto your hand and fasten around the wrist. Sit back and relax. You can scroll on your phone while you wait. After 15 to 20 minutes, remove the gloves. Wow, that is so cool. So these actually have the ability to still use your smartphone. So they are screen tested. Super, super cool. So since I'm gonna be unboxing this, I won't try this one, but I'll save it for later. Like I said, Instagram story. Instagram is actually in my description. Oh yay, my first makeup. This is a beauty bakery. If you haven't heard about this, I've actually seen a few YouTube videos of people trying this palette out. I really was curious about it. So proof is in the pudding eyeshadow palette. It is $38. Wow. That is basically like almost the entire price of the box itself. Super cute. Look at these colors. I basically have these colors on my eyes right now. These are colors that I use almost all the time, so it smells good. I'm gonna swatch some of them on my hand for you. Ooh, I really want to try this. Oh, that is so creamy. Just like pudding. Wow, look at that. That is so nice. Oh, let's try this sparkly color in almond jelly. Oh my god. Oh my god, that is an amazing formula. Wow. I'm gonna try one more color. I'm like obsessed with sparkly gold colors. So let's try this. Oh my god. That formula is so creamy. It really is like pudding. That one's called Spiced Caramel. Wow. Oh my god, I'm super excited to use this. Look at that. That is so nice. Okay, just one more, just one more. I'm gonna use the color Rice Pudding. Put that one on top, why not? So here are the colors. You can just see how nice those are. Wow, I can't wait to use this. So let's try this blanket. Oh, it is so soft. I take it out of the plastic packaging. It says unhide, and then it says for love, not fur. Fluffy, furry, friendly, fresh, and faux. No animals were harmed in the making of this faux. Super, super cool. It is a 50-inch by 60-inch, and it's 100% polyester. So when it comes to winter, of course, you think cozy blankets by the fireside. So maybe I can put my air conditioning down a little bit lower today, and I can sit by the TV, turn on my fireplace app, and just feel the vibes of winter. Oh my gosh, this is so cozy. It matches my bedroom. This is literally the color that I have in my bedroom right now. So this will definitely be something that I see in my bedroom. I'm gonna lay it across my bed as a throw. On one side, it is super furry. On the other side, it is also soft, but it's not the furry part. This is $65, so this blanket alone cost more than the subscription box itself. That is so crazy. And what's also cool is you can get $10 off with my code BADD10. Don't forget. All right, let's get to the next thing. So it says Color Switch. It's an instant brush cleaner. Cool. It comes in like a can, and it has a black scrubby inside. On the back it has the directions, and it's from Vera Mona. It's reusable, and it says that you can glide makeup brush against the color switch sponge in a circular motion to remove color. No liquid or cleaner needed. What? Color switch is reusable, simply wash with soap. Wow, okay, so instead of washing your brush, you're cleaning it with this scrubby, and then you're taking it out and just cleaning the scrubby. You can put it right back in. Ooh, Prep Rally Prime and Prep Detangler. Oh my god, this is for your hair. I have the worst hair ever, okay? Oh, it's not the worst. I swear there's people that have it more worse than me, but I really struggle all the time with my hair being so tangly out of the shower, and it is painful. I don't use a brush. I literally only use a comb, or I use the wet brush, which I don't really count as a brush. Oh my god. Oh, that has such a nice smell. So, the directions for this one, it says mist generously on damp hair and brush through before blow drying, or spray onto dry bangs. So it's a detangler, and it's also for after you blow dry. I personally air dry, so I'm definitely going to be using this every time that I get out the shower. I don't care that you need a damp hair. I'm going to put it in my hair anyways. My hair is dry right now. That smells so good. I'm obsessed. I'm gonna save those slippers for last. So my next thing, ooh, they're lashes. Oh my god, super cute. Here are the lashes. I love these. Those are so cute. I actually already have lashes on right now. These are really fluffy. Even it comes with your own little applicator. So this is actually made from synthetic silk, and the brand is Baddington Beauty. These are $32. This is a $32 eyelash. That is insane. If all else fails, bat your lashes. That's super cute. So here are my new cozy winter slippers. These are PJ Salvage Faux Trim Cable Slippers. Keep your feet extra cozy and supported in these comfy slippers. And these are $45. They are super fluffy on the inside, and on the outside you see that knitted winter design that you see almost everywhere. Okay, don't make fun of my socks, but look how cute these are. These are so cozy. Alright guys, that is the end of my unboxing. My favorite things. Let's just do a little summarization. I have to say the flippers that I just showed you. Slippers. The Proof in the Pudding eyeshadow palette. This is awesome. I cannot wait to try this. I will be doing a look on my Instagram story. And also these $32 eyelashes, major key. And like I said guys, bad 10, okay? Get your $10 off. $49.99, that means that it is only $39.99 for you to get all those goodies. They have tons of different options, so you know where that link is. It's gonna be in my description. You can go ahead and check that out. Anyways guys, thank you so much for watching. Thank you FabFitFun for giving me this opportunity, and I hope to see you guys later this week or next week. Bye.